So Maharaj, questions arise in my mind. So some opinion Radhakunda and Shyamakunda appears in Bahulashtami. Some opinion like this lila was in March. This how this is Purnima or
Bahulashtami?
yeah, not
Purnima.
no. I mean this is usually everyone accept Bahulashtami,
Yes.
day of Shyamakunda Radhakunda lila. Yeah, but some like Shastra found this lila Bahu. When Krishna killed demon, this Bahu.
Bahulashtami, Lord Krishna killed the bull.
Yes.
Lord Krishna do rest with cow and bachla, cow son and gwal bal here. And then king of Mathura, Kansa, is give advertise that any person is kill Lord Krishna, so I give in reward half state. So one Rakshasa Aristasur, then name Aristasur, so he accept then challenge that I kill Lord Krishna. So he make our body for bull and he come in Radhakunda. And this again time Lord Krishna time here no village. This is only forest and this place name Aritvan.
Aritvan.
So Lord Krishna do rest here with Gwalbal, our friends and cow. So he come in the bull body and he kill the cow. So Lord Krishna look at this time is all cow do rest and today who kill him? Why he do problem? Give problem. So he our then body thinking Divya Dashti, who is this? So then he look this is a Rakshasa. So he give warning, you go here, if you no go, so I kill you. So he fighting for Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna is kill him, this place. So Lord Krishna kill him. So then Brajvasi look and Radharani and then friends Sakhi look, Lord Krishna, what are you do? What are you do? You kill the cow son. This is no religion. This is very big crime, and you no have power. Stay in Brajdhama. So Lord Krishna told that this is Rakshasa, no cow son. Well, he in body cow son. So you do crime. So Lord Krishna told that what is the punishment for finish this problem? What I do, so then my crime finish. So Brajvasi told, you go all holy place and you bath here, then you return in Brajdhama. So Lord Krishna is do promise that then I no kill Kansa, no drop Brajdhama. So he calling all holy place in Bahulashtami day.
This is Bahulashtami. Was in which month?
Damodar Mas Kartik.
Damodar. But somebody telling this Chaitra Purnima.
No.
No? So all Brijabasi, all Radhakunda Basi accept like Damodar months.
Yes, Damodar Mas Kartik Mas.
This
is truth and this is written in Shastra.
Because some some Babaji, they found like from Jiva Goswami, like he wrote about this lila happens in Chaitra Purnima. This means next month.
No. This is Kartik Mas Purnima.
Kartik month. So all Brijabasi accept only this.
All Brijabasi accept, all brother accept, and this matter come in Shastra.
Acha. Which Shastra?
Srimad Bhagavad.
Srimad Bhagavad. So by this reason, Brijabasi all follow.
Yes. And then the Brajvasi lady do fast then day per year.
They doing this by reason to get baby.
No, only devotion.
Only for devotion.
Yes.
Acha.
Yes.
But what they doing for this is
fruit.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
This reason what?
This is for child.
For child.
And this fruit named Pentha.
Pentha.
And Lord Vishnu is like Pentha Phal.
Acha.
So he offering for Lord Vishnu, Lord Krishna.
Acha. But reason to get child?
No reason, no, any reason.
Any reason?
No reason. Offering for give service for Lord Krishna.
Acha. Because I always was thinking this reason only one, to get child.
No, no, no. This place to the Baulashmi, many sadhu santais come and he bathing and he offering pentafal and sadhu santais no want baby.
Acha. Because I was thinking only Grihaska offering.
Yes.
Not only Grihaska, everyone can offer.
Everyone.
Acha.
So Baulashmi day, Lord Krishna make our kunda by flute. And all holy place come here.
He did by flute.
Just by flute make Krishna Kunda and all holy place offering water for Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna is bath and then crime is finished. Then after the Radharani friends is told for Radharani, hey Radharani, and now this side Lord Krishna Kunda available. So now you make our kunda. So Radharani make our Bengal, make Kangan kunda, but no come water because here is one story. If the person do crime, so then crime share for king. And Radharani father is king in Braj-dhama Braj-bhanji. So Radharani is duty, then time Lord Krishna is kill bull, so he stop him. You no kill bull, this is crime. So he no stop Lord Krishna, so then share the crime. So no come water. Then Radharani is thieving and come tears. So then Lord Krishna connect Radha Kund, Shyam Kund by flute.
By flute?
Yes, by flute. And all holy place water available here. And Lord Krishna, our father Nanda Baba time come in Prayagraj Kumbha. So Nanda Baba is told for Lord Krishna, I go for bath in Prayagraj. So Lord Krishna is told, you no go anywhere, all holy places available here. So Nanda Baba is no accept for sentence Lord Krishna. So Nanda Baba is sit together friends and he look one black horses very high speed running come and he load in Brajraj. So then color change, he make white body. So Nanda Baba is go near and he ask him, who are you? You come time black and now you here bath in the Brajraj and you white, who are you? So then he come in the main body and he told for Nanda Baba, I am Prayagraj. And many criminals, many devotees come in my place. And he bath in my place. Then he drop our crime. So then he drop our crime, I accept then crime. So my body is black. So then I no accept very bad. So then I come in the Braj-dhama. And I bath in the Braj-raj. So my all crime is finished. I take energy and my color change. So then listen then story. So Nanda Baba take judgment. I no go anywhere. I always stay in Braj-dhama. So next sometime again you told no go anywhere in Radha Kunda, all holy place available. So
you know now in ISKCON what they doing? In ISKCON from this year they change calendar, day of calendar for Radhakunda appears day. So before was Bakulashtami in the Madar months. Now they changed to this Chaitra Purnima.
No, no. This is wrong news. And ISKCON give our rules. He no accept old rules. He give new rules.
New rules.
And ISKCON is first stage for devotion. If you want meet for Lord Krishna and Radharani, so you connect for Gaudiya Sampradaya, Radha Vallabh Sampradaya, Nimbark Sampradaya. So you meet. Because in ISKCON give only Hare Ram, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, chanting. And if you take Diksha, so Guruji give you seed mantra. And then you chanting seed mantra, so meet you power. And one day you meet for God. And Hare Rama Krishna Mahamantra is very nice, powerful, but he is a normal position. If you want, I go again for in devotion way, so you take Guru Diksha. And in life, all person, one God, one Father, and one Guru, and one Brajvasi Brahmana. Because you give service for all one person, so he feel happy. If you connect many person, many Guru, and many rules you accept, so no possible. And you give many service for many person, he no feel happy. So in the life, only one God, one Father, one Guru, one Brahman.
What you telling about different sampradaya, also Gaudiya Sampradaya.
Yes.
So many now Guru in Gaudiya Sampradaya.
Yes.
What is your opinion about which qualification should be for Diksha Guru?
The Diksha Guru meet again many long time you connect for our Diksha Guru. In Brajdhama is told you drink water so clean. In cloth pot, then he give water clean, then you drink. So same position Guru. Again time you look, then person is have power for Guru ki no power. And look then activities. If you feel that this person is good person and then activities is very nice, very good, so you accept then Guru and take Diksha.
What about this Guru should be in Diksha Parampara?
Yes.
Diksha Parampara.
Diksha Parampara.
This just direct Diksha Parampara, Guru after Guru.
Yes.
Not like Shiksha Parampara.
No. Diksha, this is very old parampara.
Yes.
Guru makes Shishya, then makes Shishya, then makes Shishya. So this is parampara.
What about Bhagavat Shiksha Parampara?
Yes.
Like in ISKCON or Gaudiya Math. Nowadays they preaching this is like a real parampara, but this is not Diksha Parampara, but this is Shiksha Parampara.
So Shiksha Parampara, so meet you Shiksha Guru many. In all in life, many Shiksha Guru. But Diksha Guru only one. Then give you seed mantra. And Shiksha Guru many. And this is no compulsory that Shiksha Guru is high age, a old person, a very small child give you Shiksha Guru. Because this is our power, bad sentence, then whose person give you Shiksha. And all person life, many Shiksha Guru, but Diksha Guru only one. And then person is bound for Diksha. So now at this time in Radha Kund Dhama, Sri Pran Kishore Baba, very nice Baba.
Pran
Krishna Das Baba. And then activities is very nice. I look him 30 years, 35 years. He many times gave Giriraj Maharaj Parikram, Radha Kund Shyam Kund Parikram, and bathing, Brajvasi Seva, Brahman Seva, Sadhu Seva, and cow Seva. He do our handa many Seva. and then person is lucky, so he accept then Sikh Diksha. And now at this time available, again what do on depend to the Radha and Krishna. Vallabh Sampradaya is very old Sampradaya, and Lord Krishna father Nand Baba and Radha Rani father Vrisbhan Baba is belong to the Vallabh Sampradaya. Then Diksha Guru for Vallabh Sampradaya.
Acha.
And Lord Krishna belong Vallabh Sampradaya.
Acha. This Gargamuni was Guru.
Yes.
Gargamuni.
Yes, Gargamuni is belong for Vallabh Sampradaya.
Acha. Vallabh Sampradaya started from whom?
Many long time.
No, but who is first?
Vallabhacharya.
Vallabhacharya.
Many long time. And Lord Rama belong Vallabh Sampradaya, then Guru Vasishtha. So this Sampradaya is very old Sampradaya. And now born many Sampradaya. So he give confusion for devotee.
Vallabh Sampradaya and Nimbarka Sampradaya same?
Same?
Same.
And many way. Vallabh Sampradaya, Gaudiya Sampradaya, ISKCON Sampradaya, Nimbark Sampradaya. But all Sampradaya base only one, can meet for God. So many way go, but meet he one place.
It's true.
And I belong for Vallabh Sampradaya. And many Brajvasi belong Vallabh Sampradaya, Nimbark Sampradaya.
This is two actually Sampradaya for Brijabasi, yeah?
Yes.
Nimbark and Vallabha.
Vallabh.
Not any others.
No.
Some accept Gaudiya Vaishnavas also.
Yes.
You know, some.
And Brajadham temple give service for Vallabh Sampradaya or Nimbark Sampradaya.
Yes, I see so many in different villages here.
And Gaudiya Sampradaya rules and Vallabh Sampradaya rules is changed.
They worship Radha Krishna as husbands.
Yes.
Yes. In Swakiya Rasa.
Yes.
They not accept Parakiya Rasa?
No.
But they worship Radharani with Krishna.
Yes.
Not alone Krishna.
No.
Together.
Together.
But like husbands.
Yes. Because Radha Rani is powerful Lord Krishna. And no power, so person is useless. And Lord Krishna is take power for Radha Rani.
Because before Gauranga Mahaprabhu, mostly people worship Krishna alone, without Radharani.
No. And all time Radharani in the heart always available in Lord Krishna. He in 1 second no drop Radharani Lord Krishna.
But when Goswami, when Gauranga Mahaprabhu sent Goswami to Vraj, they found like Brajabasi worship only Krishna alone, without Radharani.
No. Then Prasvaji, then person do worship only alone Lord Krishna. He no feel happy Lord Krishna. Because he want all person do devotion for Radha and Krishna together. Because Radha and Krishna stay in Golok Dham. So one Brahmana is very big devotee for Lord Krishna. So he go in the Golok Dham meet for Lord Krishna. So he all time chanting Lord Krishna. And so Radha Rani is stay and Lord Krishna gives service for Radha Rani. So he look, so he is very angry for Radha Rani. So he gives shrap for Radha Rani. You give problem for my God, so you go in the Mrityu Lok and you drop for Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna is very angry. So what are you told? This is my heart, this is my life. So then he feels very fair and he told sorry for Radharani and pray to Radharani. So then Trapa, so Radharani born in Brajdhama. And again come Radharani, then come Lord Krishna. And then Lord Krishna is come and meet to Radharani, then open our eyes for Radharani. If Lord Krishna is no come, then time Radharani no open our eyes. And then Lord Krishna drop in Brajdhama and go in Dwarka, so he all time remember for Radharani. And last time so go Radharani in Dwarka, so meet for Radharani Lord Krishna, he keeping for together for Radha and Krishna. And then Radharani Shrap time is finished, then he go in Golok Dham. So after some time Lord Krishna is go Golok Dham. So Radha and Krishna make each other, no difference. Two body, one heart. Radharani all time chanting for Lord Krishna and Lord Krishna all time chanting Radharani. And no difference for Radha and Krishna. Many times Radharani make body for Lord Krishna and Lord Krishna make body Radharani. So no difference. And then person is told that no, this is no truth. So at this time example is available in the earth. Many times you look, Radharani is color white. So then water is give darshan visit in white color. And Lord Krishna is Shamal. So then water visit in Shamal. And many times change. Radharani color Shamal and Lord Krishna color is white. So this is for example at this time are available in Radha Kund, Shyam Kund, Brajdham. So Radha is Krishna and Krishna is Radha. And then person is different, so he is no good. And Radha Rani power Lord Krishna accept. Then time Radha Lord Krishna put up in the Giriraj Maharaj. Then Indra gave continue 7 days, 7 nights rain, very big power. He put up the Giriraj Maharaj. Then time he told, Kachu Makhan ko bal bado, Kachu Gopan kari sahai, और श्री राधे जू की कृपा सो गिरवर लियो उठाए. So this is many santa is told. So he look power for Radha and Krishna. So this sentence means kuch take power for better Lord Krishna and kuch some help give for then friends and do mercy for Radha Rani. Then take power Lord Krishna put up the Giriraj Maharaj. So Radha Rani is very big power. And Lord Krishna is very like and very love for Radha Rani. Then time Radha Rani come meet for Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna clean the way. Any stone no come in the lotus feet for my Radha Rani. So no difference for Radha and Krishna. And always do worship together for Radha and Krishna. And you look in Vrindavan, Bihari ji alone visit, but inside Radha Rani available. In Radha Vallabh ji, you look Vallabh ji alone, no, inside Radha Rani available. And in Radha Kund Dhama, in Bihari ji together Radha Rani available, and Radha Vallabh ji, Radha Rani together available.
So all Brajabasi, if Krishna alone, like Banka Bihari, they worship him, they feeling like Radharani inside.
No, this is our thinking. Brajavasi always together visit Inside Bihari ji, he look Radharani.
They see both together.
Yes. He visit together. This is heart feeling, no mind feeling. This is heart feeling. I visit in front Radharani, but together Radharani available in Bihari ji.
So for Brajabasi, no difference. Krishna alone or with Radharani.
No.
They worship Krishna. They feeling Radharani with him.
Yes.
Wonderful.
So all time Radha and Krishna together. And together worship very necessary.